Good morning, world. Welcome back to our little corner of the internet. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of morning routines for teens. Because who says mornings have to be dull and dreary? Let's infuse them with a splash of aesthetic, a sprinkle of cute, and a whole lot of fun. First things first, it's all about that wake-up call. But instead of hitting snooze a gazillion times, let's rise and shine with a smile. Trust me, it sets the tone for the entire day. Breakfast time. Forget rushing through a bowl of cereal. Let's make it Insta-worthy. How about a colorful fruit parfait or some avocado toast? Healthy and delicious, the perfect combo to fuel your day. Now, onto the morning grooming routine. But who said it has to be a chore? Crank up your favorite tunes and turn your bathroom into your own personal dance floor. Trust me, brushing your teeth while busting a move? It's a game changer. Ah, the age-old dilemma. What to wear? But fear not. With a bit of prep the night before, you can curate the cutest outfits that express your unique style. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. Now, before we conquer the day, let's take a moment for ourselves. Whether it's jotting down goals, practicing gratitude, or simply enjoying a quiet moment with your thoughts, a little morning mindfulness goes a long way. And there you have it, lovelies. Your personalized morning routine to set the tone for an amazing day ahead. Remember, every sunrise is a new beginning, so seize the day and make it yours. Until next time, stay fabulous!